Hello, my name is Carolyn Secor. I am a bankruptcy attorney in the Tampa Bay area. I've been practicing bankruptcy for approximately 20 years here in the state of Florida, and that is the only state I'm licensed in. I learned about Tax Discharge Determinator at a seminar where I met its creator, Larry Heinkel, and I thought that is exactly what I need because I was starting to see some rather complex tax issues, and that is where I learned about the program and later purchased the program. So the tax issues that I was starting to see were clients coming in with a large amount of IRS debt that was still owed. Anytime as a practitioner you see large amounts of IRS debt, obviously you want to be able to give the client, an accurate legal analysis on whether or not that tax debt is going to be discharged in their bankruptcy. Because of that liability and the need to give them accurate legal advice, I remembered that Tax Discharge Determinator was a software program that I had heard about at a seminar, and I thought I need to minimize any liability. I need to have some help because, again, this is a large amount of debt owed to the IRS, and I want to make sure that I give my client, an accurate analysis of their dischargeability of their debt. So before I learned and purchased Tax Discharge Determinator, I would refer out any tax research issues to a colleague of mine. I would lose that income and incur that expense. So Tax Discharge Determinator has put money in my pocket, helped me avoid referring that out and losing that income. And honestly, it saves me a ton of time. What my colleague or I would have to do would normally take hours gets done in minutes. One thing that's great about Tax Discharge Determinator is that I have found that I can increase my revenue on basically my ROI on a case by 10 to 15%, as long as that case does have some tax issues. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say that it is absolutely a 9 or a 10. The support that I receive from TDD is phenomenal. I would rate that a 10, absolutely. The overall experience with TDD is a 10. It is absolutely essential for your practice and to help you avoid malpractice. I am aware that TDD is going to a subscription-based program, and I plan on purchasing that and continuing that for as long as I practice. I think, again, that TDD is essential, and it helps me avoid malpractice, which is the most important thing. Also, I want to add income to my practice, and right now, I don't have experience negotiating offer and compromise and arranging installment agreements for a client. Those are things that frequently come down the pipeline. I want to learn how to do that so that I can make that extra income. And again, that's why I'm going to continue on with TDD.